Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm out here at night, but I've got a good thing. It's a little tip. So first, let's go over to my big colonies, and I'll show you what my tip is. So this time of year, some of my smaller colonies are struggling because they don't have as many foragers as my big colonies do. So here's my big colonies. Got plenty of them, but I've also got nukes in here, right? Got some nukes, and you see I've got feed on my nukes. Got feed on them, and I've got feed on my two framers. So we're gonna go look at our two framers, and I'm gonna explain to you what I do. This will be a real short video, by the way, but just a tip that I've kind of been doing that has been working pretty well, so I thought I would share it. So as the sun's going down, first of all, early in the day, I mix up some 1-to-1 in a 5-gallon pail and then leave it out in the sun so the sugar dissolves really well. But what I've been doing is I come out right at dark and I put these feed jars on. And what that does, I'm not putting a lot on these. These are little 2 framers, but I don't put a lot on. But what it does is it gives these colonies about 12 hours overnight to suck down the feed and helps eliminate the robbing out of them. So I just give them enough to where they can suck it down overnight and don't have to worry about robbing. So that would kind of be my tip. If you are in the same yard or your bees are on your property where you live, go there right before dark and throw the feed to them overnight. Especially the smaller colonies that don't have the foragers that, let's say, you know, your big super doubles and triple deep 10 frame honey producing colonies. Definitely come out and put the feed to the small ones that don't have that many foragers and that you're trying to raise queens and brood in, because it really seems to cut down on the robbing by doing it at night when all the bees from the big colonies have gone in for the evening. It will allow you to get some syrup on those little guys without having to worry about getting robbed out. Anyway, just a real short video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Walker Bee Ranch.